The situation is critical because it's very, very messy.
We were supposed to have time for this, but apparently everything needs to be done right now. We are sending back the car. We need to go to the hardware store, we need to go do laundry, we need to do some groceries, we need to do a lot of things, like right now, to a LED strip that I bought for the B-Mini. It's a RGB one. In order for at night, during navigation, you can have red light. It's also good for mosquitoes and insects in general and stuff like that.
Just a few days left until departure, and today is Saturday. We take the boat out of the water on Monday to do the anti-fouling. So my job in this weekend is to try to make as much as order possible in this boat, so we have everything in the right place. And the situation is critical because it's very, very messy right now. This is the spare room we have for for everything. So I buy this box, and the smaller one I have to find a place to everything. And okay, of course Vlad's job for today is make it impossible for me to work. This is the position. Please touch me, but if you touch me I will kill you. Ciao. I don't know. Seems like a trap. Ciao Maria. Ciao bellissimo. Ciao. No, no, no. Now that we kiss Vlad, we can start with our job for today. But first I want to show you a very nice t-shirt. Ta-da! I don't know if you can see. And also on the front there is our logo. There's water everywhere. Everywhere. Too much cold for Bavaria. There's mold everywhere and water everywhere. Before I can make order, I need to clean everything. Look how much water. We need to go in somewhere hot. Sailing life and cold doesn't go well together. If there is water also here, okay, it's full of water. This is all humidity. It's incredible. all stored in the boxes, and I have a lot of space right here. Okay, and I was able to save a lot of space in this cabin because I put all the product here. As you can see. Okay, on Amazon I found something very useful to storage some things under the sink of the kitchen. Instead of boxes that doesn't fit, I bought this and this, where I can put this or this kind of stuff. Very, very useful.
Good morning, 8,500 and something of you, and for the 60% of you that haven't subscribed yet, you will grow something on your feet. Anyhow, today we need to we were supposed to have time for this, but apparently everything needs to be done right now. So we are sending back the car to northern Italy, and we hired a transport for that. The problem is that these guys were supposed to call us like a couple of days prior and tell us where and when we need to bring the car. And what happened is that they call us right now and said like, hey, you need to bring the car in 2 hours to this place. And yeah, so now we need to do everything. We need to go to the hardware store, we need to go do laundry, we need to do some groceries, we need to do a lot of things like right now, and bring the bag to the other side of the city in 2 hours so they can ship the car. So yeah, man. The kind of things that will disrupt your entire plan. So I don't know, let's see how it goes. Yeah, the pink hat I think is mellowing the whole situation, but she's pretty mad.
They have all the time for
Yeah,
today for today.
today for today, 2 hours time. Well, you know, and this I think this will be like prime customer service compared to what we are going to encounter around the world. So we need to start, you know, getting a little bit chill about it. How's it going?
Better now.
What did we do this morning in
Everything.
2 hours?
Everything. But we are done. We buy some food, some water, and we are waiting for the washing machine.
The laundries.
The laundries.
So we have extra water, extra food. We have some things from the hardware store. Meat. Did you buy fish? No. Because we are gonna fish.
Full of people.
Because we are gonna fish it ourselves. Yeah, right. There is. I'm trying to think if there is anything else heavy that we need. That we need to buy before sending the car back home. So.
How can you put everything on this?
That goes there? That goes to the boat, right?
Yeah, not everything. There's something from my parents. Taralli and oil. Olive oil.
That's like the most Italian gift ever. This is for my parents, Taralli.
I taralli e l'olio.
Perché l'hai tirato da mettere perfettamente? Good morning, all 8,000. I don't have it with me, but it's 8,700, I think it is. Thank you very much for watching today's work. Back in Aprilia, I added a white light on the roll bar to illuminate the whole stern of the boat in case of emergency or need or something like that. I did it the last day and I didn't have the right connections and everything, so I just did it like you will do it at home. And of course, it was a temporary solution, but it went bad really fast. So it's all rusty right now. So I'm going to do is that I'm going to change the connections. I bought a couple of waterproof connection cases like that. So, and what I need to do is to change the old system that I did. The connection box that I bought has 3 ports, 1, 2, and 3, because one goes to the light and the other one will go to a LED strip that I bought for the Bimini. It's a RGB one. In order for at night during navigation you can have red light. It's also good for mosquitoes and insects in general, stuff like that. It should be a pretty easy work, but you know, that's the last famous words. But it should be pretty easy. You can see how rusty that was. And I did use self vulcanizing, I think is the name, rubber duct tape, but it didn't matter. This is completely gone, it's completely rust. So yeah, I knew it was temporary. So that's the box. It's pretty cool. It comes with a bunch of different. It comes with this, so you can change the diameter of your cable. But the one that is already installed is good. It comes with these connectors. When I was doing the work in Aprilia, a guy, one of our most loyal followers and great advisor, tell us that these are not good for sea. And it makes sense. This is not, for sure, this is not, you know, like inox or anything like that. But I'm thinking that going inside this box that is completely waterproof, they should be good enough. So I'm gonna be using it for this installation, and if that light at some point doesn't work, I know that will be the problem. So that's my plan. Wait. Always this goes first. Damn. It's good that I left enough extra cable in here, because this will have been a nightmare. I will need to reroute the cable all the way to the console, so that's good. That's cool. So my idea is that this I saw something going down and I don't know what it was. That will go there like that, flat, and then I will have one cable on the right going to this light and one cable on the other going to the other side. The diameter of the cable, the original cable from the light, the diameter is a little bit smaller, so I just wanted to know if tightening it up, it will become, you know, it will become, it's not straight, it's tight. It will be tight enough to grab the cable and don't leave any water going in, and it looks like it, so that's good. Hope I use the same logic. The black cable is a home cable. Normally, you know, 3 poles, so I have yellow, green, blue, and brown. I normally use blue to be the red, and I use brown to be the black. But I need to confirm that, because this being direct current, I don't want to invert the poles. This self blah 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 tape is actually really good. By the way, guys, do not buy this this knife from Amazon. It's horrible. This is a month. This is not even a month of life. It should be. It was supposed to be like a submarine scuba diving knife. It sucks balls. It's really bad. I think they actually use, they didn't use inox, they use like Nox.
What?
That joke. Black with blue and brown, and I think brown with red. I don't want to cut myself with this knife because I'm gonna be, that will be tetanus in a minute. Red with brown, blue with black. Red with brown, red with brown, red with brown, red with brown. Can you say that 10 times really fast? What did we say? Red with brown. Let me know if that light turns on. Did it turn on? I need to check. Wait. Cool, it works. We don't have the LEDs for now. I didn't order them, so cool thing. When you tighten the knobs
Phrasing?
on the ports, it will start clicking and it will give you like 3 clicks, like clack, 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 and that's the tightest that it can go. It's pretty cool because it tells you that it's tight, but it also gives like a secure system that it won't unwrap itself. You need to see this. I just used my entire lock. Let me show you. Like, the screw is there. Something horrible else is going to happen because normally I don't have this kind of lock. This is the extra one that I will use for the LED lights, but that will come as soon as I have ordered the LED lights. Actually, guys, if any of you knows of a good LED light for external that I can use 12 volts, that would be great. So let's all have a laugh together. I have been doing so many boat jobs over the past 3 months, and I have been ordering so many parts, and they all come in different moments, that I actually forgot that I bought the switches, because that's one line, that's what electrical, and it actually powers the remote control for the windlass, the lights, and the LEDs. So now when I turn on underneath, it will turn on everything at the same time. So I bought the right ones. These are, you know, the extra, ultra, mega, incredible watertight switches, and I even prepared them with the cable and everything, and I completely forgot about them. So yeah, let's finalize the installation the right way. What did we say? Brown and red, right? And blue on black. Okay. Let me show you the final work really quick. So we have the button here, turn on, turn off. We have the derivation case there. That's where the LEDs are going to go. And everything is nice, watertight. Everything looks amazing. So now, I just need to search again, guys. If anyone knows a really good LED strip to use, please comment below. I can use some help here.